guys, welcome back to County Farming. We got another video for you. We got a John Deere 8820 combining some beans here. We got a John Deere 4430 pulling one or two 500 bushel easy trail wagons. Get back to the bins. We got John Deere 4020 and Hutchinson auger loading bin, and we got another Hutchinson auger when run loading the bin. In this video we get about 2,500 bushel of soybeans done, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Looks like we got about 2.5 rings left. The truck driver already took 2 loads out today. So he took a little under 2,000 bushel out and hopefully put at least 1,000 in today. So let's get to it. So once they get unloaded, they'll go up into the Hutchinson auger, into the 8,000 bushel bin, and then they'll come out. They'll come into this yellow hopper, into this Hutchinson auger, and come out right there. And the truck driver will just line up like this and go back and forth depending on where he needs loaded. There's the 60/30 with the grain cart. Feels a lot like corn. Not that good though. So we got the John Deere 4020 on the auger, and just come in with my second load. We're gonna unload it and get back to the next field. We just got that one done. I think we'll probably get 1,300 bushel, 1,200 bushel off that field, and the next one's, it's a little bit smaller, so probably get 900 bushel, 800 bushel, I'd say, maybe a little more. So let's get to it. Bit to go. We just got done with the first field. I'm taking back the third load, and he just got started on the second field, so we'll probably have 2 wagons from there. We couldn't get started till a little after 1:30 since we had a really heavy frost this morning, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm inside the tractor right now. This is the the 5th full load. So we've done 2,500 bushel today. Pretty good. Yeah, 2,500 bushel. Probably just a little under that if anything. But the bin's got about 1.5 rings left by the time we get this unloaded. So that's enough room for 1,500. So the trucker will keep Rickett busy unloading her. We got this little shy of 30 acres of beans left. So maybe we can get that done Tuesday or Wednesday probably. Get on to corn. So that corn should take a good 1.5 weeks. Maybe a little more or less. Got the 4020. I'm sitting in the 4430. We're unloading. It's probably 8 o'clock by the time we get in. 8:30. Dad's got to do chores yet. but we'll get her done and catch you on the next one. Thanks everybody for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye out for many more. We got corn harvest coming. We got a lot of corn harvest, probably 3 videos, maybe 4 of corn harvest. We're gonna fill this bin up a time or 2 with corn. The beans are coming, and Dad said best beans he's ever done before. I mean, they're 65 all the time, you know. I seen it hit 73. So that ain't bad for around here in the dirt we got. It's pretty clay, and we had some good rains. Sorry if you can't see diddly, but it's alright. I can't see diddly either, so thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.